Welcome back. Today we're making super easy garden signs with scrap wood and tools you have around the house. Come on, you can do it too. So to make a garden sign, start off with a piece of scrap wood. It can be whatever you have hanging around, and you want one ideally with a smoother surface. If you get one that's too rough, it'll be hard to do. So you have your scrap wood, and I have this pile of scrap wood that I got a Sharpie and just tried to use my best handwriting. And this one is a little rougher. You can see there's some oopses on my handwriting. And this one I'm going to cut in between and slice these with the chop saw. And these are just some of the seeds I got in this seed bunch. And you can see they're all different types, but this one was a little bit bumpier, so my handwriting doesn't look quite as good. This one I'm going to put in a pot it's a large, deep pot, jalapeno peppers and chives, because I've read that they are great companion planters. Okay, so how does this become a sign? Let's take a look. So, excuse my giant mess. I've been doing a lot of work on my outside project. So I have this piece of wood where I have written some of the things I intend on planting. I'm going to use my chop saw here and chop them apart. Okay, so here are my pieces that I chopped apart. Now, if they were going to be companion planting, you could just stick this on the back side, of course, because you want to see your handwriting. But you could stagger them up in a line, and I'll show you one that I finished. Or you could just simply go like that, and then you stick it in the ground and just do one per stick. So I'll show you what this looks like when I'm finished. So I used my drill and the appropriate screws, and this is what they look like. So here I staggered two. That one has one, and this one, and that one I still need to finish. But I put some in my garden where I already planted, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I have this planting bed that I made, and I'll show how I did this in another video. But check out this sign, pretty cute. And I also have one in my strawberry bed. Here's my strawberry bed. It doesn't look like a lot right now. It kind of got controlled by the pumpkins last year, and they just spread everywhere. But here's my cute sign. And so I have this all divided off, and I'm not going to show you all of this just yet because another video is coming of what I've done so far with my chicken run and garden plants. So thanks for visiting my workshop. I hope you enjoyed this easy garden sign tutorial, and I'll see you next time with more fun DIY projects. Bye-bye.